Hey guys, I'm back on another video. I am going to be making a paper airplane, not just any paper airplane, a glider. And if you guys don't know how to make a glider, well, this is your chance. Take your time and do all the steps I say. Right now, you're not going to see my face, like, you see my face right now, but right now, you're not going to see my face because I'm going to be pointing it down, where you can see how to make a paper airplane. First, get a sheet of paper. It's just a normal size sheet of paper. And then you fold it in half hot dog style. And then you fold the creases nice and easy. Then you go to the other, then you open it up. Then you fold one edge down, straight down the crease you made, and crease that one. And then you take your time. You have to pause the video, pause the video. So, and you should have it like this. Do the same things at the other side, like this. And then you take it to the back. You completely flip the front of the airplane over, and then you take this right over here, and you take the other one, you do the same thing to the other one, and you take it right over here. And then you see the middle, you fold that up. So like completely fold it up like that. And then you crease it. Remember, just take your time. You don't have to do it in a rush. Just remember, take your time and do it nice and easy. You don't have to follow everything I say, but take your time. Okay, back with the video. And so you fold this, and then you start to make the body. Increase it, make sure it's nice and smooth. And now you take one wing, you take it over like this. See? Like that. Then you do the same thing to the other side. That's how you make a glider. And if you want to see how it tests out, I'll show you right now. Come on. So this is going to be the glider. I'll make more, okay? And so, place it down here. And you ready? See, it flies pretty good. Not as good like others, but I'm going to be making another one. So this is the glider. If you want to make that look, watch. See? So I'm right here, and these are about like 2 feet. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So about 21 feet from all the way over there to all the way over here. Let's see if we go farther. Oh, so we made about 20 feet again because I started just at the line. So 21 feet again. This one is the glider. So you want to learn how to make that one? Your friends would be really impressed. And let's make the other one now. So this one is going to be called the dart. So all you have to do is grab another normal sheet of paper. Do the same thing as like this, but fold it hot dog style. Then you increase it. You take the corner, you increase it down the middle of the line. Make sure it's perfect. You can pause this video if you need the time, and do the same thing to the other side. And then you take it again, you take the other corner again, and then you fold it again. So you'll look something just like this. Then you do the same thing with the other side. So it'll look something like this. But this time, you fold it again. I know, it's pretty confusing. So you fold it again. Crease the edges. Nice and easy. Do the same thing on the other side. And when you're finished, it should look something like this. Then you start becoming the body. Fold it again, hot dog style. And you see, it's starting to turn into a dart. Then you fold it out. And then you do the same to the other side. So it'll look something just like this. Nice and smooth. Let's test it out and see how good it is, okay? So here's the dart right here. I'm gonna stand back like right here, same thing with the other one. Now I'm going dart. See? Like about, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 21 again. But let's test it out with the other side, just as the other one. Oh, that one was a fail. But if you like it, you can show it off with your friends. And yeah, that's all I have today. If you want me to make another airplane video, like, subscribe, turn on that notification, please. And I'm gonna give a shout out to Dexter X. Guys, go give him the love and support he gave me. He's like at 300 and something followers. Go subscribe to him. Dexter X. And yeah, bye. Crazy number 2 here.